Hey YouTube! I got like this fangpyre truck here, like about 3 months ago, cost me like $30, so get on to this stuff. Right now, this thing his legs, cool, kind of looks like a dress, has a scale right there. Yeah. And his torso, scales right there, and he's holding the fangpyre staff. Pretty cool. And his head, pretty cool. Oh, and by the way, there's scales right there. And his head, pretty cool. It's like a printing right there. Hope you can see it. That, and his eyes kind of wide open. One of them.
Because he's general.
Yeah, and there's like a white printing right there. Yep, pretty cool. Let's move on to some more. Legs, pretty cool. It's like skills printings right there. Yep. And he has white arms, the hands, and white printing, pretty awesome printing right there. And yeah, right there, white printing right there. Yeah, black printing and pretty cool eyes. Yeah. So this is him. It's pretty cool. Yeah. And Zane, of course. Gold highlights right there. Yeah, his eyes kind of bluish. And golden armor. Pretty cool. Yeah, and torso right there has his symbol. Eye symbol. Looks like a tiger or a cat. Yeah, he's holding the golden ninja stars. And yeah.
It's actually called the Shuriken device.
And yeah, he has like ropes go down things right here.
Yeah, he's pretty cool for a ninjoid.
He's a robot.
Yeah, if you've seen the episode called TikTok, then you might know he's an android and reach his full potential.
Here's Daisy. Yep. Silver highlights and his head has kind of cut off eyebrow. Supposed to be like that, yeah. His armor, silver armor.
Yes, just like it Cozy X. With the minifig that only comes in and Cole's Treadle
and his spinner. The spinner arena.
Or the spinner arena.
Yeah, and here's his symbol, lightning symbol. Pretty cool. And he has like armor right there. Doesn't really look like armor. And right here doesn't really look like armor. So that's him. And
yeah, and he's not really cool as
2010 or 11.
Yeah, and it's not really good. It has the same face just as usual. Oh, and it has the same lightning symbol. And I don't really like the hat. Because it
clip right there.
Yeah, not like the and on this it doesn't have a clip. Yep. So let's put NJ, but that does not come in this set.
Yeah.
You can get him in the Skull motorbike.
Or others.
Yeah, or maybe some others.
So let's move on to Zane's vehicle.
Yep, so that's Zane's snowmobile.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's
has like a
really cool.
Has an opening engine. Pretty cool. His
Yeah.
Yes.
You have to hurry.
Has this.
There's 5 minutes out, and it can only be 10 minutes long, so you better hurry up.
Yeah.
Let's show a lot of good detail,
Pretty cool.
especially when it has like one wheel
Got the brakies.
and one wheel, but it moves pretty well for a one wheeler.
Yep.
Pretty cool. And like every ninja vehicle has this golden thing right here. Well, maybe not close to the soul. I can't really find it on it. I can't. Sorry, that was mom and dad, our parents. Sorry about that. Okay, now let's move on to.
And yeah, you can drive it.
Okay, let's move on to the main part of the set. The fangpyre truck. Yes, this is its wheel. It's really a spinner crown. It's pretty nice. Oh, and no, I'll say that for later. And the face is pretty cool. This right here,
This is him driving it.
this is.
Missed my voice. Okay, that was my brother talking. Okay, it's pretty cool. You can open its mouth, open and close it. It's pretty cool sticker. Opening up cockpit. Cool. And yeah. Tail
Strike attack.
Tail strike attack. And yeah. Purple fire attack.
So it can go really fast.
Yeah. Really.
Faster than Zane's snowmobile.
And yeah. You can drive it. And then he drives it.
Going to close the door?
And yeah. You can close the door. Pretty cool.
Yeah, and the tail strike attack won't work on the back when Zane's on the back of it. But it will. Sorry. But it will work on the front.
Mm-hmm. Don't know really why, but that's true. So, yeah. Oh, shut up, dude. It actually may take a while. Yep. Hopefully. And yeah. Here it is. And
Oh, and there's hidden compartments.
oh yeah, hidden compartments, yeah.
The one without dynamite first.
And yeah.
There's one without. There's an empty one. And
Door fell out?
hurry up, Dan. We're almost out of time.
Yeah.
Less than a minute. And now show them what's in the other one.
And
Another?
the other one has dynamite. Yep.
Yes. So this is our review on the fangpyre truck.
And if you like it, then like it. And if you don't like it, then like it. Thank you.
Oh, play that channel. Wah, wah.